Meaning of FTSE index.
FTSE index.
FTSE index.
FTSE index.
FTSE index. The FTSE, Financial Times Stock Exchange, Index is a stock market index that measures the performance of the 100 largest companies listed on the London Stock Exchange, LSE, based on market capitalization. The index provides a benchmark for investors and financial professionals to gauge the overall health of the UK stock market. It is widely used as an indicator of the UK economy's overall performance and is watched by investors from around the world. The FTSE 100 index is frequently used to track the UK stock market's performance and is considered to be one of the most influential stock market indices in the world.